Hello, my art viewers. So, welcome back to our channel, The Art of Inside Impressions. So, this is artist Bhavna, and today it is my favorite thing to draw, that is eyebrow. So, here we are dealing with two-dimensional face. So, she'll have only one eyebrow, and we are using H pencil first to draw the initial outline directions of little tiny eyebrow hair. So in this way and in this direction only you need to do eyebrows. This is all because we are creating direction, and if you want to get perfect eyebrows, start from the initial layer only. So do concentrate directions and all from the initial layer. So don't ever and ever miss the initial layer and draw as you think. So you need to draw as the reference image. Don't go with your imaginations. Always be in reality and draw as a reference image only. So don't think you can draw without observing. So here the observation and direction will play a crucial role, so do follow the direction. So you can see how I'm pushing my pencil. Initially I'm applying little pressure and then I'm releasing my pencil. So in this way only the sharp and tiny eyebrows will come. So this is a technique every artist will use. So you should also use to get the sharp and tiny and light and really thin eyebrows. So this is easy technique. Do follow the lines initially and then you can apply on your eyebrows. As this is the real time tutorial, I don't want to miss even my single update. So here you can see complete portrait, and we already discussed about grid lines and outline using grid line. So part 1, part 2 is already on my channel, and this is part 3. So this will okay, I want to complete eyes and eyebrows in this, but I'm not sure. So eyebrows I can complete definitely, but eyes I can't give guarantee. So let's see. So here I'm using makeup brush, which is used for smooth blending, and you can use this for eyebrows, hair and all, because you should not blend completely. Here little light hair look you need to show up. So to show that you need to use soft brushes only. So don't blend it completely. Okay, after once you are done with blending, we are using HB Staedtler grade pencil. So I'll basically use HB and mechanical pencil to draw eyebrows. So I feel comfortable myself using these grades. If you are not sure, you can use other grades, but according to me, my suggestion is to use HB, B and mechanical pencil. So I prefer Staedtler brand over other brands, but if you are really a beginner, don't choose this Staedtler brand because you need to come up with experiments. So directly don't go with high brands and don't waste your money. So every time I'll say, this time also I'm saying, and beginners can try artline pencils, definitely a good choice to go. And after experimenting with artline, you can go with Staedtler. So next, Faber-Castell and Bristol brand. So you can try some really new brands. Okay, everything aside, we are developing our eyebrows slowly. So once we are done with HB pencil, now again we are blending slowly, not so hurry. Don't be in hurry and don't make your process so fast. So do it slowly. See how slowly I'm blending, because you should not miss this so-called highlights. So here to highlighting tool, so I'm using tombow monozero eraser. This is round refill and round pencil. So you'll also get flat tip this tombow monozero eraser, so you can use both. So anything is possible and anything is okay. So if you don't want to use this, you can go for pencil eraser or else kneaded eraser, but carefully, use carefully, okay? So choosing tools is also, you should choose so wisely. So here to get thin areas, here we can't use kneaded eraser properly, but you can manage to use pencil eraser, so no issues. Okay, to make your process smooth and easier, I'm using again brush. So you can see now I'm using B grade of Staedtler brand, and you'll repeat same process and same direction until you achieve the thicker bright eyebrows. Initially you'll start with 2 to 3 straight hairs, then it is slowly bent towards left and so on. So upper eyebrows, it is totally different because they need to fall down. So you need to observe your reference image. And yeah, eyebrows will differ from person to person, but yeah, direction will be almost same when you compare with 90% of population. So upper eyebrows you need to bring down, and lower eyebrows it is tilting towards left slowly. So these directions, if you follow these directions, your art is completely easy to execute and you are at a pro level. So do always follow directions, shadows, and this too will take your artwork to other level. So you are an extremely good artist when you follow these two, what that is shadow and directions. So here again we are giving highlights because our highlights are not clearly visible. So again I took my tombow monozero eraser and I already applied my highlights. So now we are using 0.3 mechanical pencil of Staedtler brand. So I don't have favoritism towards Staedtler brand, but without any partiality, I can pick Staedtler brand because those brand is really good. So after experimenting, I myself found comfortable using Staedtler brand. So if you want to try, do try different brands. So it is not at all same choice for everyone. You may have different choice, but I'm comfortable in this brand. Okay, so here you can see this mechanical pencil will help to give sharp highlights. So highlights in the sense using pencil, I'm saying, and I'm talking about pencil highlights. So the sharp and tiny floating air you can draw using this mechanical pencil. So you can see this hairy look you can create, and it is very much important tool for hair and eyebrows and eyelashes, obviously eyelashes. And in skin texture also you can create molds and some little highlights using this mechanical pencil. So you need to have, definitely you need to have one mechanical pencil of 0.3 or 0.5 or both, it's your choice. So in this way we are adding highlights using mechanical pencil. So now our eyebrows is looking thicker and brighter. I really love this eyebrow. If you observe clearly and if you concentrate on my video, I erased my grid lines near to eyebrows because our eyebrow part is already done. So I don't want to keep these grid lines anymore, so I erased it. So while drawing skin texture, you can merge, you can blend these grid lines in skin texture, but if it is not so, you need to erase separately. So below the eyebrows you'll have this bright shadow that I'm creating, just dragging the eyebrow part towards down so that it will spread. So this will create a realistic look and illusion effect. Below the eyebrows you'll definitely have shadow. So if you want to see and if you want to observe things, you can stand in front of mirror and you can observe, so where shadows will fall on face and all. Okay, we'll start with eyes, but I'm not sure. We are left with only 5 minutes. So, in 5 minutes, I'll show what all I can do with this eyes. So, initially, we are starting with again H pencil, that is hard grade pencil. So, if any adjustments, will make here using reference image. So, here I could do this adjustments. You can see the second line here. So, I did it. And yeah, once you are done with H grade pencil, use the soft brush. So let it be makeup brush or paint brush, but make sure it is soft and smooth. And okay, I want to erase this grid lines now only, because my observation part is already done, and to make my process easy, I'm erasing now only. So after giving like 5 to 6 layers and all, if I erase it will look weird, so I want to erase now only. So if you are not sure if you want to erase or not, let me give a suggestion. Do erase once you are done with observations, but give a clear observation, and again you'll mess up the things. So okay, if you keep these grid lines until you finish your artwork, it may not blend and it will give a clumsy look. So make sure you are erasing initially only. So in this way we are using H grade pencil and giving first layer, and you can see how naturally I'm applying without any technique and without anything. So because first layer will blend it doesn't matter here. And yeah, but okay, I balanced my darkness and light tones. You can see towards left it is little bit dark and towards right it will be light. So that balance you need to keep, and that observation you need to keep. So center of the eyeball, it is, you can observe it is a white spot that you should not fill. So make sure you're not filling it again. At last you will mess up. And yeah, here in my reference image I'm having left side is clearly very dark. So dark in the sense it is very dark because I don't know, but shadow is falling there. How I can't explain, but yeah, shadow is falling and it should be dark enough, and that's it. So okay, I'll blend it. So you need to not show any patch look. You need to blend two, dark grade and light grade. You need to blend with medium grade. So that blending you need to practice. So you should never show patchy look and irregular look. So in this way again we are using tombow monozero eraser, our best friend. We are left with only 1.5 minutes, and I want to end this video for today. So I'm ending abruptly, but there is no chance and there is no choice to continue, because you people are really watching my 15 to 20 minutes video than 30 minutes video, because that is bulky to watch. So I divided into parts. So this eye part we can see in my next video. Okay, so here I'm just directly applying other layer, so other grade. And now we'll end with this minimal what you can say, minimal enhancement. Okay, so we are ending this, and I really love to share this artwork, and definitely I'll be regular, so stay connected and lots of love. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon, so that is very much important and needed. So thanks for watching. I hope you should have a bright future ahead and have a wonderful day, and stay safe, stay healthy, and have a nice day.